Alright YouTube, we're here at the freaking car show in Dania Beach tonight. This one's a little bit better. Getting some reactions from the crowd here with the autozam az1. People just loving this thing. People loving it. We got some nice cars out here tonight though. Trying to get in some video real quick before it gets dark. All the way back. And then we got a couple of Suzuki Samurais over here. A couple of the American Suzuki Samurais. They're nice. So Toyota, dude. Back. Huh. It's my boy. Hey yo.
Hey.
What's up, man? Yeah, dude. I got the az1 in with the gull wings. I'm doing a YouTube video right now. I'll come back and talk to you in a minute. Look at this thing. Woo.
Yeah, nothing wrong with sharing some Bobby Darin sound. Absolutely true. Super 70s coming at you loud.
Just trying to hurry up and get some video. It's getting dark fast here, and for some reason this GoPro 7 does not do well in the dark.
Beautiful trophies in the show.
Doing great this time of the night though.